Hi, I'm Ma'am Ange. Today we are going to learn about arithmetic series. And what is arithmetic series? It is a series whose related sequence is arithmetic, with results from adding the terms of an arithmetic sequence. Or in other words, it is the sum of the terms in arithmetic sequence. So let's try to compare arithmetic sequence and arithmetic series. Take a look at the two columns. What have you noticed? Yes, in arithmetic series, the terms from arithmetic sequence are being added. And also, to get the sum, we can use the formula S sub n is equal to n times 2 times a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d all over 2, where S sub n is the sum of the n terms and n is the number of terms. A sub 1 is the first term, and of course, D is the common difference. So let's have an example. Find the sum of the first 100 positive integers. So for the solution, we can use the formula, but then we have to get the given first. So what are the given? A sub 1 is the first term is equal to 1, and n is the number of terms or equal to 100. And D, or the common difference, is equal to 1. So substitute the values. We have S sub 100 is equal to 100 times 2 times 1 plus 100 minus 1 times 1 all over 2. And then we can simplify the numerator. We have 100 times 2 plus 99. How do I get the 99? 100 minus 1 is 99 times 1, 99, all over 2. And then we can cancel. To simplify it, we can cancel right away 102. So we have 50 times 101. Where did I get 101? From 2 plus 99. And so the sum of the first 100 positive integers is 5,050. Another example, find the sum of the first positive even integers. Take note of the word even. So the given are, we have a sub 1, or the first term is 2, because we are looking for the even integers. And then number of terms, or n, is equal to 25, and the common difference, or d, is equal to 2. Substitute the values. We have S sub 25 is equal to 25 times 2 plus 25 minus 1 times 2 all over 2. Simplify the numerator. We have 25 times 4 plus 48. Where did I get 48? 25 minus 1 is 24 times 2. So we have 48 all over 2. And then we can simplify that by 25 times 52 divided by 2. Then we can cancel 52 and 2 to simplify it. So we have now S sub 25 is equal to 25 times 26. And so the sum of the first 25 positive even integers is 650. Another example. Find the sum of the arithmetic sequence 2, 7, 12, 17, whose number of terms is 10. So again, let's try to get the given first. So we have the first term, 2, common difference, 5, and the number of terms, or n, is equal to 10. Substitute, we have S sub 10 is equal to 10 times 2 plus 10 minus 1 times 5 all over 2. Then we have to simplify again the numerator. So we have 10 times 4 plus 45 all over 2. Where did I get 45? 10 minus 1 is equal to 9 times 5 is equal to 45. So we simplify it again. We have 10 times 49 all over 2. Then we can cancel 2 and 10. To simplify it, we have S sub 10 is equal to 5 times 49. And so, the sum of the arithmetic sequence is 245. That's it for now.